What? You smell like fart. All for the sake of science. Where's my towel? Trash. Hello everyone! And welcome back to my broccoli! Wow, broccolis really smell like fart before they're cooked. Intense. I can relate. There's a reason why I have this broccoli today. You can probably already see the reason in the title. But I'm so glad I got company. Vincent is not here today. I hope you're gonna bear with me and you're not gonna be too sad. I could just think this is a perfect, you know, replacement for Vincent. Look, he even talks like Vincent. Hello. Naomi, you look so pretty. That's exactly what Vincent would say, you know. Fuck off. I don't even think Vincent would say fuck. Oh, he would. You smell like fart. You do too. Okay, no need to get offensive. So I recently stumbled across this Instagram page. I don't know how I got there and I'm not completely happy I got there because there's a lot of stuff going on there. It's called 5-minute craft. I know this is a thing and I know it has been a thing since forever and I've been seeing like all these 5-minute hacks and stuff all over YouTube, but I never saw this Instagram account and it honestly made me gag and throw up the way it is created. And yeah, I know I'm not reinventing YouTube by looking at this page and trying stuff that they're trying, but I'm still curious if these things are actually going to work because I never watched a video of people trying these 5-minute hacks. I just saw them on this Instagram page and I was like... So in this video, I'm just gonna look at some of these 5-minute crafts and hacks and I'm even gonna try some of them, and that's also the reason why I have this broccoli right here. I mean, that's not the reason because I just love broccoli and I love being around broccolis. I'm sorry if you hear like this. This is my Frischhaltefolie on my tat. On my tat. So let's see, what do they got? I mean, even the fact that they have 42 million followers blows my mind. That's more followers than Kylie Jenner. It's more followers than Kylie Jenner. Oh. Okay, let's look at some of these. I mean, I watched like 2 videos and I was already like, what the fuck? Eee. Eee! She just applied. Okay, hang on. I actually saw this on TikTok, some people doing this, but I don't know, it just makes me cringe to see people apply concealer on their black hair. I mean, as I have black hair now too, I might as well just try this. Maybe just this part, and it's gonna be... Ew, I don't want to put concealer into this. Eee! And I really need a haircut. What even is this down here? Let me just take a little bit, maybe just this. I literally just washed my hair and I really don't wash my hair often, so this is like a really big event for me. Ew. Oh my god, I just bleached my hair. This is like not damaging at all. Which color should I dye my hair, guys? Let's just do some pink, yes, because that's the original color I wanted to dye my hair last week. That is working amazingly. Why am I just drawing on my hand and not on my hair? Okay, so it doesn't really look like hers. That smells weird. It doesn't even smell like concealer anymore. Maybe it's just like a chemical reaction that happens on my hair right now because hair and concealer and eyeshadow equals... Honestly, I don't think it's gonna get any better than this. Wait, do I need to color it from the other side as well? Who thought of this idea? Idea with a hard R. Oh no, we got more forehead. I don't think it's gonna get any better than this. But I mean, just don't look at my forehead. Just, you know, oh no. So, how do you like my little colorful strand of hair? Yeah, me neither. So this hack did not pass the vibe check. Let's look for some more. Sponge one clean? Just cut it off and apply it. Okay, sis, I see what you're doing. Hold on. What the fuck was that? Hold the fuck on. She's trying to tell me she's smudging her eyeshadow on her eye, then just taking a Q-tip and making like a sharp eyeliner out of it. And 1 second it looked still like super smudged, and then she did a cut, and then it was sharp.
Sis, who you trying to f—
No. Not today. That's trash. Okay, she's just washing her face. I know, she forgot she has makeup on. I know. Wait, what happened? Why am I watching this now? I thought this hack was about her makeup being smudged in the shower. Why is this happening now? Well. What's she doing? Oh no, she's not doing a corona protection, is she? Oh no, she's doing it. A water protection? What? I was not ready for this. Makeup is protected. I bet this is not her hair. This is just a wig. Look, this looks so synthetic. What? Okay, I'm out. What the? No. Sis, no. Look at her. I love the result. Oh, wow. I kind of feel like sometimes they're doing it on purpose. Like they're creating these dumbass hacks just to get clout or something. But like, is that the way to go to get 42 million followers? Okay, she's just snatching her own waist. Nothing wrong with that. I mean, that's probably not very good for the environment, but lose belly fat? You're gonna lose that. Is it gone now? Now it's really just getting offensive. Now I'm actually offended by this hack. This is insulting my belly. It is offensive. So they're just saying put cling film on your body to lose tummy fat. And she literally just sucked it in the after picture. That's cute. This is literally what I did in my TikTok video. Yes. It's so fucking stupid.
But yes, I did this.
Summer. Sunblock. I don't want to watch this anymore. This IGTV was probably the worst video I've ever seen in my whole life. Let's just see if we can find some more useful hacks, you know? Wow, she looks the same. Oh, she covered her freckles! My girl covered her freckles! Why would she do that? They were looking so natural. I mean, look, these are 100% natural freckles. Never cover your freckles, they look great. Oh, she's making a wig cap. That's really smart, actually. I did that before. Yep, cool. Oh, it's a wig with a hat on it, okay. Wait. Did you see that before and after? Her before was literally just not wearing a wig cap at all and just letting her hair just like hang out of her wig. Girl, if that's your before, then you really needed that wig cap, I guess. Oh, she's burning her cork. She's... What? No, wait. Why would you do that? I don't want to, I don't want to talk about it. Broccoli, help me. Okay, last hack. Please let it be good. Vacuum cleaner? Oh my god, her curls are gorgeous. That's never gonna work. Never in my whole life is that gonna work. I don't know what I expected. Let's just carry on. Oh, she's tired. Makeup? A glow? She's getting a glow up. Oh, that flick. Love a makeup video. Yes, queen. Oh, she's so cute. Yes. Oh, I love this video. Oh, she's adorable. She's feeling herself. Okay, I don't like these before and after pictures still, but that was a cute cute video. I mean, it wasn't necessarily a hack, or I guess makeup in general is a hack, but that was so cute. Hope this is okay for you, but I'm gonna leave the door open because the cats want to go in and out and I don't want to lock them out just because I'm filming a video. Chili knows how to open doors. I mean, like, not if they're like completely closed. If there's like a little gap, you know, then he just knows what to do, and Taco never knows what to do. He's just staring at it and like, can someone open this door for me? Okay, let's carry on. Why is she putting toothpaste? Oh, is it to bleach? Wait, why is she drilling her? Wait, now I don't know what's happening anymore. Why did they do that with the hair? Oh, that's funny. Cool, yeah. I mean, creative. But I still, why did they do that to the hair? I just want to know what happened to the hair. Don't set it on fire. Oh, the hair again. Wait, is that the beginning again? And we never will find out what they did? No, it's happening. Yes. Is she bleaching her hair with fucking Colgate? Oh, it's his hair, sorry. What was that? He literally just has toothpaste in his hair. Okay, the next one I actually know already. Because as you can see, I brought my broccoli, but let's see what she's doing. She's making freckles with her broccoli. It looks so good. So my broccoli is probably a little bit too big, but honestly, freckles with a broccoli, I don't think a hack could be more fitting for me. So let me just cut a little bit of this broccoli off. I think that's great. Oh, it's so cute. I love you. It's you guys. So I'm just gonna take this. She also used like a dark eyeshadow. I'm ruining my bronzer. Oh, why is this kind of working? Honestly, it could be worse. That is actually not that bad. I mean, I'm really kind of destroying my bronzer here, but all for the sake of science. And if you just pat it in a little bit, I mean, I'm not too mad about it. I mean, honestly, I didn't expect anything from this hack. Like, nothing. And now I'm kind of impressed, I gotta say. It's not like that's what I'm gonna do for the future when it comes to freckles, but still, broccoli, you can never do me wrong. I love you. And don't worry, I'm just gonna wash this off and then eat it later. No broccoli shall be wasted in my video. Guys, tell me how you like these freckles in the comments, please, because honestly, I don't mind them that much. I'm just gonna carry on watching these videos with my amazing broccoli freckles and my strand of hair. What else does my broccoli girl got for me? Oh, I want to try this. Yeah, I want to try this. I never tried this actually. Okay guys, let's try this. So I actually saw this on YouTube a couple of times and just like, this is an amazing hack to make your makeup look amazing. But I never tried it myself because why would you even do that if you're not doing that for YouTube or for 5-minute hacks? I mean, I'm not wearing like a lot of makeup. So maybe that doesn't make sense right now. I think that doesn't make sense right now. I'm gonna do this hack at the end. Boring style. Yes. I have a very boring. Oh yeah, I saw this on TikTok as well. I'm the queen at seeing things on TikTok. Yes, I wanted to try this so bad. Yeah, I want to try this. Okay, let me just get my straightening iron. Okay, so I just realized for this hack I need to wash out my concealer strand of hair. Sadly, it was very hard to say goodbye. But yeah, sorry, not sorry. Okay, so she just took these front parts. Oh, I love mixing my black and white side. Wait, let me take some more hair. That's really sad. Okay, so she flicks it outward. I think that's it. Now let's open her up. Yeah, no. Stop! Get down! This is literally what my hair does anyway. I mean, it's not that bad. I feel like it kind of did something. I don't know if it necessarily looks better, but honestly, I think if you're like on a hurry, but you still want like a little something like in the front, then I think this would be fine. What's up, baby? Do you want to get in? You just gotta stay outside. Maybe that's my Animal Crossing voice. That was good. I mean, I'm still practicing, but Animal Crossing dub career incoming. Okay, let me just look a little bit more, just a little bit. Mind-blowing girly gadgets to make your life better. Oh, that's cool. That is actually really cool. Okay, now it's getting a little bit too much. Like, why would you put a thread in there? Oh, it's a bag! That is cool! I love this! That is fucking cool. I think we watched enough 5-minute crafts for today. Let me just try this hack. I didn't want to try back in time. I'm gonna try it now. And I'm just gonna put on some foundation and a lot of powder actually, because that's what she did. That's what I'm gonna do now. That's gonna be my last hack. And I'm very excited about it because I feel like that was such a thing on social media. Oh, I have freckles on. I just realized. Yeah, maybe I'm just not gonna go over them because then I'm just gonna have like a brown blob on my face. Now a lot of powder. That is not a lot. Okay, I think we're good. I got a huge bowl of water. How am I gonna do this? Can someone close the door, please? Thanks. That was not good. Let's just carry on. Where's my towel? Well, there's still so much powder on my face. Oh, look so cakey. But I do indeed look very, very matte. But also, I just powdered my whole face, so why wouldn't I look matte? I think I did this wrong. But my freckles are still on. I mean, I really thought my whole face was gonna be ruined after I did this. And I mean, I'm just really, really matte and I lost every single glow. But yeah, as I said, I just applied a lot of powder on my face, so I don't even know. I think that's enough for this video. As I said, I cannot physically watch these 5-minute crafts and hacks anymore because it just hurts. But of course you can always send me those hacks if you want me to try them. I mean, it's kind of fun, but also really unnecessary, as Vincent would say.
Unnecessary.
Anyway, I think that is it for this video. I'm just gonna do my outro social media moment with the Vincent broccoli right here. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon on TikTok, and the Naomijon on Twitter. That was so cringy. I'm sorry. Maybe I should always have a broccoli in my videos. It makes me so confident. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next broccoli. Bye. Oops, there's a cat there. Oops, another cat. Intense.